In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an account error in Facebook Ads Manager. If you've ever run into this issue, you know it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we'll walk through this together step by step to get you back on track in no time at all. First, let's start by navigating to the Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're here, you'll see a button labeled Go to Ads Manager. Go ahead and click on that. After logging in, you'll be directed to the campaign's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, but today we're here to fix an error. An account error in Facebook Ads Manager usually means there's an issue with your payment methods or your ad account spending limits. Don't worry, we'll address those next. Start by locating the Billing and Payments section. This is usually found in the top navigation menu of your Ads Manager page. Click on Billing and Payments. Here, it's time to check any due payments. Your account might be showing errors if you have outstanding balances. So ensure all dues are cleared. Look for a section that shows your payment dues and make sure it's marked as paid. If it's not, submit your payment. Next, confirm that your payment methods are current. Click on Payment Settings. Verify that all details are accurate and up to date. Having a payment method that's expired or incorrect can trigger an account error. Lastly, ensure that there's enough funds available in your payment method to cover your ad spending. This means checking that your linked credit card or bank account has a sufficient balance to pay for the ads you're running. There you have it, a simple fix to get your account running smoothly again. By following these steps, you should have no problem resolving that account error in Facebook Ads Manager. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tips.